Hello everybody, welcome to this video. My name is Shanrel, this is my daughter Sakura. We're happy to be here today because we are unboxing the February Target Beauty Box. Now I'm especially excited because it seems like it has a lip product theme, and those are my very favorites. Now, to be clear, Sakura and I did actually unbox this already, and the footage turned out to be kind of unusable with the lighting and things. So we're here trying it again. So we can share perhaps a little bit of our experiences too with some of the things that were in the box. So Sakura, go ahead and hand me the first box. First, every Target box comes with a little card describing the theme of the box. And then on the back, it describes all the products and it comes with a $3 off coupon that you can use online or in store. All right, first item. So this is probably my favorite item from the box. This lipstick is from Milani. It is one of their bold matte lipsticks. When I saw it was a bold color, I actually was really nervous about what this was gonna be, but it is a really beautiful, like I hesitate to call it red, and yes, I suppose it is in the red family. It has that really pretty Milani thing there, and it has a, really good smell. What do you think it smells like?
Cotton candy.
I don't think it's cotton candy, but it's definitely sweet.
I like it.
All right, so let's swatch it so that people can see. You want to swatch?
Yeah.
It is kind of like a berry brick color. It is really beautiful, and I wore this the other day when we unboxed it, and I really like how it looks. I probably would go in gently over a lip balm or something to kind of create like a stain look. And I really like it. I'm happy to have this in my collection. All right, next product. Ooh, I was really happy about this too. This is the St. Ives lip scrub in Sweet Passionfruit. I was really hoping it would be a really scrubby, like sugar scrubby lip scrub. Okay, that was a terrible way to describe it, but before I've had ones that are more like balms with a little bit of grit in them. This one, I did try it just one time, and it is very scrubby, which is what I wanted. Would you like to smell? Next, this is a product that I haven't opened or swatched because I want to save it for a giveaway. I can't believe that my channel is actually approaching 100 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. When I started making these videos, I imagined that it would be for my own pleasure. I didn't imagine anyone actually watching them, so thank you guys so much. So when we do reach 100 subscribers, I do want to have a giveaway, and this will be one of the items in there. This is from Burt's Bees. This is the Lip Shimmer in Peony. It is a really pretty color. I can't use it because of the peppermint that Burt's Bees puts in there, but these are really nice because I have used them in the past. Another item that will be going straight into that giveaway. This is from Soap & Glory. This is one of their sexy Mother Pucker lip glosses. It's a plumping lip gloss, and this is in the shade Plums Up. So no, it's not opened. I haven't swatched it. This will be brand new, and it's a really pretty color. Whoever gets it, I hope they enjoy peppermint and lip plumping glosses. Next, the package came with this little, like, I don't know, like a squeezy packet you put in either the fridge or the freezer, and then you use it as like a cooling lip treatment. I imagine this will be really fun to use in the summertime. Right now it sounds horrifying. It's winter and cold, but this is a fun little thing. Cats are going crazy back there. Okay. Oh yes, another item that's going in that giveaway. This is a peppermint organic lip balm from Dr. Bronner's. See it for a second, but this was also another product that obviously I can't use, but I know someone else will really enjoy it. The package also came with a Burt's Bees moisturizing lip mask. I haven't tried this yet, but this is something I've used these before, and they're fun. I don't know if they actually do anything, but they're fun to try. So I think that even though there's several products in this box that I personally can't use, I think this box is amazing. It is awesome, a really good value. This box was only $7. You buy it at target.com. It's not a subscription. You have to go and purchase one every month. And I really hope that Target I'm hoping everyone else thinks the same thing I do and gives them really good feedback about this box, actually including makeup. A lot of their boxes typically just include skincare, body care, and hair care, and they don't put a lot of makeup in them. So a lip product themed box was perfect for me. I absolutely loved it. So I hope they continue to do these. Thank you guys so much for being here with us today. If you've not done so, please like and subscribe. Sakura and I really do enjoy doing unboxings together. So see you next time, guys. Bye!